Good day, everyone. Welcome to Good Daze, D-A-Z-E, because most of the time I'm in a daze as it is. There's no guarantee I'm going to not be heavily medicated when I do this channel, so I just want to give you a heads up on that. You know, we never know. Anyway, I started this channel because there are a lot of warriors like me who need someone to talk to. I was dealt with the diagnosis of dermatomyositis with the extra rare antibody of the TIF1 gene, which makes me even higher for malignancies. There is no cure for this condition. There's only a way to treat the symptoms. I've been doing really well. I was a dance teacher for many, many years. I just closed my Karen's Dance Academy after 35 years of blessings. It just got too difficult with my disease, maintaining the students and the energy and everything that goes into it. I'm hoping that I can hit somebody who's just been diagnosed with something like this and give them a better way to live. My fellow warriors will recognize several of my telltale red circles coming underneath my makeup, which is one of the things that we also do too. I started with skin issues. My eyes would just get so irritated and swollen and red. I would end up with weird rashes, hives, something that was so normal for me, going into a dance convention with thousands of dancers jumping all over the place, all the lights and action and excitement. That was my world. But suddenly my body started rejecting that kind of excitement. Our disease has a fight or flight impact. Our bodies have been in fight or flight for so long, it doesn't know how to shut off. So, you know, you hear those stories about a mom who lifts the van to get her kid out during extreme stress moments. Well, we become stuck in a fight or flight movement. Even during surgery, I've woken up during surgery because my body believes that it's an emergency situation and I have to get up and get going. It makes it impossible to find rest, and it also makes it impossible to heal. So I'm hoping that I can give everybody a little bit of relief, even if it's something that they thought, oh, I didn't think about that. I've been living with it for a long time. So I've developed some tips and tricks that I hope will help you. If you are a dermatomyositis warrior, or you think that you may be battling this disease, it's a great idea to get in touch with some of the rare disease groups. They have them on Facebook, Instagram, places where you can go and people can talk about the issues that they're having. Our disease is an invisible disease. I mean, a lot of times people will think that we're fine, and my husband says he's the one who gets the crash. I can go out somewhere and put on the show, and then I realize on the way home just how drained I am. So he kind of gets the worst of me, but he loves me, so that makes it better. You need to have someone who really can care for you and can understand. A lot of people tell me that their fiancés or their boyfriends don't believe all the stuff with the disease, and living with it, I don't believe some of it sometimes. There shouldn't be a reason for me not to be able to walk one day and then be fine the next day, or not be able to see a day. Or the most infuriating thing is the brain fog. The brain fog will make you absolutely crazy. I really thought I was losing my mind for a while, which I may be, we don't know. My neurologist says no, it's just part of trying to overcompensate for having to live in such a strange makeup. I take 29 different pills a day, several topicals, 5 different eye drops to try to keep things contained. In the beginning of my disease, they didn't think that the heart was connected with it, and they didn't think the eyes were connected with it. Now I'm using a cheater today, certain drops that I use so that I can look normal. We're always wanting to try to look normal so people don't think that we're stoned out or on a bender, because it's really what we start looking like. I get really ropey veins through my eyes. I have a couple blocked ducts that it's just from the constant swelling and tearing. I have eye infections a lot, and it's just because my body is so low on resistance that it freaks out to attack anything. I'm going to hope I can make you understand how this disease works and how you can help yourself get through the day. So stay with me. Make sure that you like and subscribe so that you'll see all the new content that I put out there. Once again, I want to let you know that I am not a doctor and I do not pretend to be a doctor, but I am 55 years old. I still have my hair and I'm still up moving around. I am mobile. I'm just hoping that I can help someone else remain the same way for as long as possible. Hang in there, warriors. We've got a lot to talk about, and there is no subject that is off limits. We're going to get into the down and dirty and everything that we need to do to have better days. Have a great day, warriors, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.